3,696 square meters for sale at 500 pesos per square meter, located in Luon, Bohol, near highway or near in the seaport of International Seaport in Barangay Katagbakan, Luon, Bohol. So dool ni sa Katagbakan guys, katong kuan seaport, no, going to Cebu or international port man na siya. So declared as international port. Kuan na ang pabor ani guys nga property. This is good for the south area in Cebu because Luon then adto ni mo dunggo sa Taluot, Argao, kani tawag ng Taluot. Then if you are from Luon, then you are going to visit the Simala Shrine in Cebu nga pabor ni guys. Ari ka diri magikan sa Luon. So mas okay pod ni kaayo nga property. Then as you can see, it's flat terrain but there is a portion that is hill, no, uphill. So mana siya. Then likod, back of the uphill was a quarry na quarry pod gamay, pero it was stopped already because it due to the protest of the neighborhood. So iprotestahan na wala na ma. So meaning safe na gyud, wala na quarry operation, no. So this is the property. Nindot ni, it has a kuan road right away. It is along to this road. And the good thing guys kay kini magud siya is very near to the highway. So just 40 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. So water, electricity, signal are available. Then if you are going to visit or have a swimming in the beach, no, malanta anay daghan mga beach resort diha so sa Luon. Pwede sa ka moadtog ka ng atong island bito sa atbang sa Sandingan Island. Na po dito mga white sand beaches. Pero bisan sa Luon mismo, Kalapi, pabor ka diri makakuan. So this is the road, no, makita na to. Na mo ni mga neighborhood, kuan yun. Kanang nagi mga silingan. There are neighborhoods, no. So this is the vacant lot, no, 3,696. So mao na gingon ako nga nakita na to ang quarry, no, pero wala na, nahunong na. So actually this is very affordable, 500 ra gyud. Usual magud ako na market pod sa Luon, nag-range na sila 1,500, 1,000. Ya, gidali na to padawon atong drone guys kay nag-uwan. So at least, no, natay drone gamay dire. Makita gyud, no. From Tagbilaran City again is 40 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. Then Tubigon, kuan ra gyud na mga 20 minutes drive from Tubigon. So dool ra gyud kaayo. So mao ni siya guys, nindot ang atong property. Mao ni ang hill, no, ang likod kuan. Pwede sa ka magbalay diha dapita, mag overlooking ka sa sea, overlooking to the sea. Very close from National Highway. So mao ni nakanindot guys sa atong property nga gi for sale. Very affordable, then daghan kag mahimo, no. Okay, for inquiries just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Then we will process transfer of titles. Again, it is along the road. So kini guys, no, kanang mix with concrete and kuan napoy rough road pa, pero duol ra man kayo. Thank you.